That's what I'm talking about. These things are good. Tastes like potato chips. Alright, another vegetable video. We out here making vegetables taste like snacks. Healthy, tasty snacks, that is. Because, most of us don't tend to eat vegetables just naturally because most of the time you be like, no, that's all right, I don't want any. We like our collard greens and stuff like that, but that is so much time to prepare. But stuff like this, when it's like just regular steamed or boiled, don't like it. But about to roast these up, throw some steak seasoning on there, put them in the oven, 450 degrees. Boy, well, I got some hot sauce, and then I'm gonna make a garlic aioli. The mayo, gotta do that. It's gonna go right down the middle. How about that? It's no perfect way to chop up cauliflower. Maybe it is. Maybe some chefs out there be like, no. You chop it up like this, partner. But I tell you what, it's gonna taste good. It's gonna be delicious. Alright, that's it. Alright, we're gonna be back. We're gonna get these seasoned up. Let's get this beautiful cauliflower together. 2 tablespoons. I'm shaking myself. Oh. Alright. 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. Shred some of this Parmesan cheese in here. Alright. Well, tell me when to stop, baby.
Stop.
Alright. It ain't nothing like fresh Parmesan cheese.
It is.
Probably throw about 1.5 tablespoons of this steak seasoning on there. Stuff's gonna taste like it came from a steakhouse. Let's call that 1.5 tablespoons of this dry rub seasoning here. It is 8% sodium, so we can do that. Alright, got that. Now, we're gonna make it a little crusty. Let's do 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. How about that? We get it all. Get them seasons all in there, cause man, when it's all cooked together, it's gonna look so pretty. Oh wait a minute. You know what? Let me get I like to put a little thyme and everything. To get an extra pop. Some fresh thyme leaves. Just just a dash. You see, yeah. See how pretty it's making it look already? Man, look at that. Come on now. I'm just talking stuff. I'm original stuff talker.
Yes, you
Tell
are.
you the truth now. All right. So we got that. And then we're going to get this ready for the cookie sheet and put this in the oven, 450 degrees. Well, probably about, should take no more about, I'd say 20 minutes, 25 minutes, something like that. Use a little bit of oil to put on here on my rack. Make sure don't nothing stick. This transferred over. We go crown up. And boy, when these things come out, these are addictive. You're going to want to eat the whole thing.
Yeah.
I tried these at an appetizer at a restaurant. I was like, whoa. I had no idea cauliflower would be like that. That stuff is good, ain't it?
Uh-huh.
We wash my hand. I'm going to get this in the oven, y'all. And we're going to be back. We're gonna see how it turned out. See if it's good. Be right back. All right, folks. Let's make ourselves a real quick dipping sauce. I got 3 cloves of garlic. I got some nice classic chosen few mayo made with avocado oil. Let me see. All right. You like my dip, baby?
Yes, I love
Okay,
it.
so I make enough. I think that's enough for both of us right there. Yeah. So say whatever it is, however big your regular spoon is, three spoons of the regular size spoon. We're not gonna say tablespoon. We're gonna say 3 sizes of the regular spoon. All right. And then I got a little lemon here. We're gonna put a little zest in here. It's gonna be a lemon garlic aioli. Like that. Put that up in there. Ooh. Ooh. Juicy. I got on glasses.
Okay.
Oh. I ain't getting no lemon in my eye. Oh, like that. Mince this garlic up. I was gonna use like some store-bought already minced garlic, and I just said, nah. Yeah, we just showing y'all that we ain't no one-trick ponies. You know, we know we do barbecue. But, you know, we're going to do some vegetables too. You know, first of the year, I know people want to get a little healthy. Trying to get my cholesterol down. I went to the doctor. All my blood work was A1. Until it got to that cholesterol. So the doctor told me to try to give me some medicine. I said, nope. Thanks for telling me, Doc. I'm going to fix them myself. Yeah, I got these mints, boy. Better than the store-bought. All right, and let's do like a half teaspoon of salt in there. Yeah, that look good. Oh yeah. All right, we are done, y'all. I must say, these look quite pretty. Yeah, nice and crunchy. Oh my God. Hey y'all, we'll be back. I'm gonna plate this up and we're gonna get to eating these. Y'all like and subscribe this. That's what I'm talking about. These things are good. Tastes like potato chips. What we got here, y'all?
That's good. Oh my goodness.
You walk around at a party, like, would you like a roasted cauliflower? Tastes just like a potato chip, but good for you. All right, let me try it. Let me try my garlic aioli. It tastes good. It tastes good to Frank's. Ooh. Man. Off the chain. Y'all gotta do this. Y'all saw how easy it was. And it tastes good. And it's good for you. Alright. So I'm gonna catch y'all back on the next one. We're gonna be back with another one, cooking up something good. We're gonna do some vegetables. Again, you know, probably for this month, get the vegetables out of our system. Then we're gonna get right back to the meats. Alright. I'm out, y'all. Peace. Appreciate you.
It was so good.